Good afternoon, my name is Shreya. I'm here at the Education 2.0 conference. With me is Ms. Huda. Could you please introduce yourself to our audience watching you and what services you provide? What's your organization name?
Hi everyone, thank you very much for welcoming me here, Shreya, and to the entire Education 2.0 team. So, as Shreya mentioned, my name is Huda Garib, and I'm the CEO and founder of a Pakistani-based startup named Imagine with an E. And so, our main goal is to basically help bridge the gap between the skills of tomorrow and the education of today, and we want to play our role in doing that. So, we have started our work with students from ages 4.5. We worked in the age group of 16, and now we're dabbling in a bit of corporate trainings. What we do is we were focused a lot on more design thinking and more development of your soft skills and other KPIs.
That's right.
So we do this through, like a lot of focuses on team building, time management, resource optimization,
Right.
discipline, and
Right.
creativity. Because hey, it's all possible when you dare to imagine, right?
That's right.
And we have so a lot of our tools that we use is mainly on DIY trainings.
Okay.
On trying to optimize your basic resources available, hence
Right.
resource optimization.
Right.
We've also lately delved into using into robotics. So we have our own set of blocks that we've imported from Cyprus.
Fantastic.
And we are working with kids on helping them develop a large chunk of the basic principles of design thinking. Again, as I said earlier, a bit from the ages of 4.5. And we then sort of bring in an element of AI and coding as well.
Wow,
And now
fantastic.
that we've delved into a little bit of corporate trainings.
Right.
We're doing block play for conflict resolution, block play for team building. So this is another forte that we are building up on as well.
Fantastic. Could you please tell me a piece of advice you would like to give to the upcoming generation or the current generation who wants to explore the education field?
I think there's a lot to explore, frankly speaking. And
Right.
the whole idea is to be able to, just learn from each other, look around and see what your forte is, what floats your boat.
Right.
And then probably take it further from there and build upon. There are lots of mentors you can find along the way. So just go from there and see what floats your boat.
That's nice. Can you please share some insights regarding the ideology behind Imagine and where do you see yourself taking this and up till where?
So the ideology behind Imagine is very, very simple. We want to be able to create a holistic learning and progressive learning environment. We want our students and any one of our trainees to be able to actually use the skills that they develop today with us
Right.
and carry them forward, not only in their practical work lives, but also
Right.
their personal lives at home. We have that level of discipline. It also sort of helps you working around at home, help contributing with your chores.
Right.
And that when you have that discipline as well, you can bring that into your professional life as well.
Great. So since you said that you have added corporates as well into this, so how have you tried to work with them by helping the businesses grow as well?
So it's mainly focused so far on teamwork and
Okay.
conflict resolution within your teams and within your departments.
Right.
And we've brought an element of block play to that as well. The whole idea is to be able to actually use the blocks to be able to reflect what you're thinking.
Okay.
So it's largely play-based, project-based, but at the same time, you are obviously have the theories. When you combine both together, you realize that you are exploring a whole new side as a corporate and
I
as an
agree.
individual that you probably would have not explored in your professional life before.
I agree. Last question to you. How can one get in touch with you? And if they want to collaborate with you, what's the way to do so?
So at Imagine, we're always open to collaborations, be it local or international, and as small or big as it may be, it's always good to explore those ideas and
Right.
just take things forward from there. If you want to get in touch, I bet the best way is to connect with us through our social media platforms. At Imagine, we exist on Insta, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You can connect with us on our website, which is e-imagine.global. Or you can just connect with me directly on Huda Garib again on any of the platforms that I mentioned earlier.
That's great. Thank you, Ms. Huda.
Thank
Lovely
you.
to have you.
Likewise.
Pleasure.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.